Grind 300 grams of freshly roasted coffee on a coarse setting. Place stopper in the bottom of the toddy. After rinsing with cold water, place the cloth filter in the inset inside the brewer. Add the freshly ground coffee to the brewer. Gently pour the full 2.1 liter volume of water over the bed of coffee, making sure to evenly saturate all the grounds. Immediately cover and keep covered for the duration of the steep time. After 12 to 14 hours, remove the cover, place the brewer over a carafe, and remove the stopper to begin the draining process. This can take about 15 minutes. If the dripping stalls, use a spoon to gently stir and break up the grounds until draining continues. Dilute with equal parts water, milk, or whatever alternative of your choice, and enjoy.